welcome back. I have an unboxing. It finally came today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened. Wow, it's like super packed. Polene, numero uno. Oh, I'm like impressed how fast this came. I ordered it on the 2nd of September and it's the 8th of September and I already have it. Okay, so here it is. Go ahead and get her open. This comes with it. The packaging, you guys. Look at the packaging. Oh, so cute. I don't want to rip the tissue. I always rip the tissue. Oh well. The tissue has been ripped. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this dust bag. Oh. It smells so good. Oh, look it. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Wow, I'm impressed with the craftsmanship on this bag. It's very beautiful, like well done. Nice and open, has buttons on the side. Looking clasp, little feet, and the little top handle. I love top handles. This bag is so cute. It says made in Spain, and this in the inside it says Polene, made in Spain. The inside, there's only one pocket in the inside. This cost me $320. With shipping, it came out to $340. It only took 3 days. 3 days. And I don't know about the length on the strap, but I think I need to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I was able to undo the strap and make it a little bigger. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes on each side. So you can make it longer. It is adjustable, which is nice. And it has a little pocket at the back. Look at that. A little card pocket. This is Polene. The feet. And on the side, you guys can see, it says Polene on each side, which is really nice. Oh, and on the rivets, it says Polene. So I did make it a little bit bigger, just because, you know, I like room. And this is how it looks like. Hip, which is really nice. You can also take the straps off and carry it like, you know, a little top handle. Just cute, right? Like super adorable. And the leather, wow, she smells good too. Well, everyone say hi to my new bag. Bye.